Your home will have attic accesses in it. Sometimes you have more than one on the second floor. Oftentimes there's just one. It can be located in the hallway, such as in this home, or in a closet as well, or laundry room. Attic accesses are there for access if we need to get to anything. It's not really a place that you want to go. It's not like what you see in the movies, not a place to store things or read a book or anything like that. It's dark, it's fairly dirty, but it is designed to hold the insulation to make your house very efficient. So we check the attic prior to you taking possession, prior to you moving into the home, just to make sure everything is good. And then we do a 3-month and a 1-year service inspection. We will check the attic again at the 1-year point. That way the house has gone through an entire round of seasons, all the seasons of the year, and we'll be able to see if anything's changed to make sure everything is doing good in your attic. So nothing, again, that you need to do up there, but it is something to be aware of.